Expand your outdoor living space with the Carolina Pavilion. Featuring a coffee brown aluminum roof and a spacious design, the Carolina Pavilion creates a comfortable, shaded oasis for all your outdoor living needs. The 100% natural cedar lumber is finished with a beautiful stain that brings a warm and distinctive feel to any space. Designed to be surface mounted, the Carolina Pavilion comes with post mounts that can be attached to any structurally safe surface. For ease of assembly, all the wood comes pre-cut and pre-drilled, so the parts fit together easily and without guesswork. Simply follow the illustrated step-by-step instruction manual and watch the helpful hints video Yardistry has created. The Carolina Pavilion is a multifunctional product that will add a sophisticated and modern look to your outdoor space.